In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sparkline in Google Sheets. A sparkline is a tiny, in-cell chart that shows a trend at a glance, perfect for dashboards or when you don't have room for a full chart. Let's walk through it together so you can add one in just a few clicks. First, open your Google Sheets document and locate the data you want to visualize. Then click the cell where you want the sparkline to appear. This is the cell that will contain the little chart, so pick a spot near your data for easy reference. Next, start the formula by typing sparkline. Now select the range of data you want to summarize. For example, if your values run from A2 through A10, drag to highlight A2, A10, or type A2, A10 directly. Make sure your range contains the numbers you want to chart and that there aren't blank rows in the middle. Consistent, contiguous data makes a clearer sparkline. At this point, you can keep it simple by closing the parenthesis and pressing Enter, and you'll get a default line sparkline. If you want a bit more control, add customization options before you close the formula. After the range, type a comma and include an options block in curly braces with setting value pairs. For example, you can set the chart type and color with something like left brace, chart type, line, color, blue, right brace. Change line to column if you prefer bars, and swap the color word for a hex color code if you need a specific shade. When you're ready, press Enter. The sparkline will render right inside the cell, scaling to the cell's height and width. If you want it larger or more compact, just resize the row or column. The sparkline adapts automatically. And here's a helpful tip. If your underlying data updates over time, the sparkline updates too, so it's great for tracking live metrics. If you plan to reuse the sparkline across multiple rows, consider locking the column references in your range so the formula behaves the way you expect when you copy it. And if the line looks jagged because of outliers, a quick review of your data range or a switch to the column type can improve readability. That's all there is to it. Select your cell, build the sparkline formula with your data range, optionally add chart type and color, and press Enter to see your compact trend chart in action.